Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool.
시다 타버 소기네 소기 통도이니까 소기 통도이네 그가 이렇게 빠래 담배나 빠꾸 이제 타가 통도리네 나빠꾸가 소기가 통게 Buga sinat king chili. This is king chili which we bought from Manipur. This is not too much hot and not too much yamna kino to buso oi average oi ko sima morok metpa to cho ko sa thokhe chang thamma ga di kuina thamba yae ko Kanghou ga doine si ladies finger je ko si ka brinjal ahum mam ke and kala chana si ka Kanghou doine daga chauki se si man la hora ke na pak vi se soi jara ke Sougri da napakpi hapa sinane na haubane dalaw hapa budi ko napakpi se sina combination ze yamna phai duga how is available hari mirchi je available oragati hari mirchi oina thakpiyo hari mirchi se tha ake Here I'm going to add fermented fish, ngari. Seda ugabi ne bako ugabi ze pamui na machet amoin hap tore sina ngachik ne. Ngachik ayay base yung pawada 450 or malalaho ba do yam na chusale dry oil bagi si hapke mapanda kayo to base hindi nga cha kung sa yam na kayo pangda ba nina pamu na chahi ba ngachik si so machim tangon hapke machum loya ga hawra ga loire na even makopok tamang hindi ba nga ayay base so machum soup oina chabe ay ba so don't waste even dry fish ki head to smoky hay tare dry way smoky fish ayay base yum da gain sumay na schema ga pore mathibong jing do loi lok thoga amok kano may da yai thoga nung sada karang tawraga yai ra pati basi je sino pore ligna sa do ne weight to haibudi kano the flight away to yam na excess already pese am thirani na ko to yam productive inda tilik na pore mamangi dadi yam poraki borong so handoi ni ko si se ngai da se burung sore so hangi doi ni ko sina ha mai kitang lai thake burung so hangi doi ni to bun hangi doi ni Sougri thongbadi yamna procedure chawdabani ko madi khasin bane do hoji se sin base gi bana khar pame do so lag kum thaksan lage Sougri di mahi chaga do bane iga thakpa hawe na mai dei Bori se yum dei lerakpane lage ai sida metlani ko siji metladoine morok metpa thawai nungai daba amna sikai gare thawai nungai de thadaba gumba male ba sije wakhanje nungai tamna loire Nagaland dagi leirakpane na hawai wakhan nungai de tuna morok metpa matamda chanamje manau yamdrabada ani hapiyo ko si hapio sijina that will relieve joint pain kai su loina phabani ba onion भी सुला बदम हफ्ते लगे onion से अहाम बंगो बददो अइना चना जे खरा मुन्ना चानिंग बगी सुला हफ्ते ला बने बदु नत्रदी चनम गा देनो गा से हाना लोय कागरा दो अबिना समाना पुन्ना ngora bani yare perek to hai kanda mo hapuni masagi bindi ke kai shi shoya lai se sizing hapuni The most toughest part for housewives is that you know how to shoot. Loire summer the sack home was it. And that's high, but summer the sack home was it. The woman come be a man of salad. So being a housewife, you should be able to handle every situation, whether you are with your newborn or toddler, infant, any kind of situation we should be able to handle. You know, we are not able to, he's not able to spare his time with us together. So hardly he got at least Sunday adu matanda koi hagi like banatana remaining working days. He keep on busy with his work.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that